bá lọ fẹ́ rí eléyìí sí ìyàwó tó jẹ́ pé ojoojúmọ́ ilé babaláwo ló ń lọ ọgbẹ́ni eléyìí máa dì ẹ́ mọ́lẹ̀ o àbí òtún lélẹ̀ imagine that kind thing kéèyàn gbé odidi ẹja àrọ̀ sórí bẹ́ẹ̀ àbí ìwọ tó bá mọ mí ní ẹ̀jọ́ o lè là mí lọ́yẹ̀ during that comment section that kind thing.
What she's doing, she's not doing it for anybody. She's doing it for herself. I want to talk about Oribibo. It is called Oribibo. I'm talking about Oribibo today, not because I'm a Babalawo or because I'm dating Babalawo or because I come from Babalawo's family or from anything. I want you to look at it from the angle of research. I worked on Oribibo Lawujo Yoruba for my first degree. So when it comes to this Oribibo, I know what I'm saying, and whatever I'm going to say is going to be on based on the academics and what I've learnt about Oribibo. Talking about Oribibo is one of the best things you can do to yourself, you can offer to yourself, because it open doors, it uplifts your fortune, it helps you in so many ways. In the Yoruba tradition, there's this belief that Ori is our inner head, and whatever our Ori does not want, it can never come true. That is why they always say this, that Ogun lo lọ́jọ́ kan pọ̀jù, Ori ẹni ló ní ọjọ́ gbogbo. Ori is one that is behind our success in life. We cannot do anything without consulting our Ori. So you have to be in good relationship with your destiny before you tag people that they are the one behind your misfortune. So our Ori is our inner head, is our destiny. So we have to be appeasing it, and we have to be in good relationship with it all the time. So Ori làbá fòrìṣà sílẹ̀ nígbà tó rí ń gbé ni kí ló ṣà ń wò. So our Ori is our companion in this life. You have to take care of your Ori very well. So seeing her using fish, she can use so many different objects. She can use different things, different kind of things. It depends on what your inner head, your own Ori, what your Ori wants. Ẹlẹ́dẹ̀, ẹran, àwọn ẹran òbúkọ, you can use àgbò, you can use pẹ́pẹ́yẹ, you can use ẹyẹlé, you can use so many things. It depends on what your destiny wants. There's this belief that whatever you do, whatever you become in life, your Ori is always involved. The essence of Oribibo can be seen in some of the essay facts. Let me give you this. Iṣẹ́ mẹ́ta lọmọ orí odò ń ṣe, ká forí rẹ̀ gúnyán, ká fìdí rẹ̀ gélù, ká fagbede méjì rẹ̀ tilẹ̀kùn, ilẹ̀kùn gbọ́yìngbọ́yìn, adífá fún oríṣẹ́kù ọmọ Ògún, wọ́n kì fún Orílémèrè ọmọ Ìjà, wọ́n kì fún Àfùwàpé ọmọ bíbí inú Àgbọnnìrègún. Ńjọ́ tí wọ́n ń lọ lé Àjàlá Mọ̀pín lọ́rẹ̀ eyín orí. Wọ́n ní kí wọ́n rúbọ, Àfùwàpé nìkan ló ń bẹ lẹ́yìn tó mẹ́bọ. Orí Àfùwàpé wá sunwọ̀n ju tàwọn tó kù lọ. Wọ́n ní àwọn ò bá mọ bí olórí gbé yanrí o, wọn ò bá lọ yan tàwọn. Ibì kan náà ṣàlàgbé yanrí o, kádàrá ò papọ̀ ni. What that Sesefa is telling us is that Àfùwàpé, Orílémèrè, and Oríṣẹ́kù, they want to go to Ajala's place. Ajala is the Alamo that always mold our inner destiny. So they want to go there to go and pick their Ori. So they ask them to do sacrifice. It's only Àfùwàpé that made this sacrifice. So when Àfùwàpé was the only one that carries the fortunate head, what we are saying is that Oribibo is a very good thing, and we have so many ways to do this. But maybe in another video I'll talk about it. We can do that in different ways. So you have to consult the people that knows about Oracle to know what exactly is suitable for you to use for your own Oribibo. Like, you don't just appease your destiny like that. You just have to know some things before you do it. And there are other basic ingredients that used to come with it, like atare, orogbo, adun, obi, abata, and so many other things like that. See you in my next video.